The Finance Minister, Ms. Nirmala Sitharaman, has presented the record ninth consecutive budget in the Lok Sabha today. A historic milestone for continuity, and these are the broad points that she covered. First on semiconductor and then on rare earth. Seems like the FM is targeting Atmanirbhar from our neighbors like Taiwan and China. CPSE or Central Public Sector enterprises like Indian Railways and BSNL own significant tracts of land that are unused. And monetizing this land is a way to unlock value that is being tied up on public sector balance sheets. And that is what was proposed today. And this will be done via REITs. Check comments for a detailed review. Infrastructure focus on tier 2 cities with 7 rail corridors and increasing connectivity to and fro Hyderabad. And lot of impetus on MSME growth. One way to force growth and employment across regions. And this gets a thumbs up from me. The next big focus was to get foreign money in India, and this is being done by restructuring REC PFC to get offshore corpus via long-term equity and not debt, thereby not increasing the fiscal deficit. Clear invitation to FIIs over here. और अगर FIIs नहीं आ रहे तो PIOs तुम ही आ जाओ. This is for PIOs or persons of Indian origin, where the FM proposed to increase the investment limit for PIOs in listed equities from 5% to 10% to unlock stable, long-term foreign capital without adding to the debt. Very strong promotion of Indian tourism via tourism or via promotion of trekking trains and turtle hatchery. Heritage tourism was also promoted with the proposal of developing archaeological sites like Hastinapur. Stay tuned for part 2 of the budget, and that is a very important one. Until then, follow us.